Welcome back to Not So Grand Garage. Today I'm out of the shop and we're out here checking on our birds at the moment. They all seem to be doing pretty well. But today we have a new batch of chicks to bring outside, let them enjoy the weather. And we're going to check out this Roosty's chick water and chick feeder setup. The chick feeder looks like a pretty standard design, which is the kind I like. I don't like the open bowls. I like the ones with ports. It lets the food stay cleaner. This water, on the other hand, looks like a really unique design. I haven't seen one set up like this. It's got adjustable height legs built into the base. So, once it's opened up, you can set this at different heights, making the water stay cleaner. Supposedly, we're going to try that out. You can also hang it. So yeah, pretty slick little setup. But I'm going to bring our new batch of birds out, put them in this, and get their food and water set up, and we'll see how they like it. This is how we move our little chicks around when they're babies or when they're small. A little pet carrier works great. And they'll all file out on their own. Pick this up. Now, well, they're already checking out the new chick feeder. But I'm gonna go on, get their water filled up, get it set up, try out the adjustable legs on it, and see how that works. We do keep a net or a piece of wood over the top of this for predators, but yeah, so far it's worked really well. It gives them a little time and a little free space outside, and they are fairly close to the big girls, so they can get a little used to each other. But anyways, we'll go on and get this set up and see how they like it. Twist lock the base into place. I went on and extended the first stage of the legs. If you can see, there's a stage inside as well that folds out to make it even taller. This should work for us. So I'm going to flip it over and see how this works. Fills up just fine. Don't seem to be spilling or anything like that. And it's up high enough off the ground where it should keep it clean. So we'll see how it works, and we'll keep an eye on it and see if these little girls like it. I'm sure they will. I think it'll work out really well. Yeah, we got one in there. She's being a little noisy. She must have laid an egg. We'll go see what we've got. Well, there was a chicken in that box. Oops. Oh, they're all outside the laying boxes. That's typical. Their water is staying mostly clean, which I like. I mean, it'll never stay spotless. That's just part of it, but it's not completely full of grass and dirt, which these little girls just love to fill their water up with trash for some reason. I think they take it as a game, but yeah, so far they seem to like it, and it's staying clean, so that's a plus. Yeah, I'm gonna let them go with it the rest of the day. We'll see how it looks at the end of the day before we take them in. I'm probably at this point going to start using these two items in their brooder as well. But yeah, well, these little girls have been out here all day. It's starting to get cloudy out, so I think I'm going to get them inside. But yeah, their water is completely clean for the most part. There's some little bits of stuff in there, but nothing like it usually is. And they've just about emptied their feeder. So yeah, these Roosties feeder and waterers, they seem to be a win. So yeah, if you want to check these out, I'll have a link to these in the description of the video. So yeah, check them out. Overall, I'm happy with them. I'll definitely be putting these to use over the ones I've been using up till now. So yeah, with all that said, if you got any comments, questions, drop them in the comment section below. If you would, hit that like button. Helps us out and doesn't cost you anything. If you haven't already, please subscribe. We appreciate you watching.